Hello everyone, welcome to Cardano Catalyst TV. I'm Mi Jung, and today we welcome back again Giovanni and Anthony to our show. So hi, how are you guys doing?
Very good, thank you very much. Hi, Mi.
Thank you. So everyone is excited to hear about your proposal, and can you share with us what it is and why do you have this idea?
Hi, this is Giovanni. Today I am proposing a proposal that's called cross-chain fake NFT protection. In order to better understand this proposal, it is worth to spend 1 minute to introduce ArgusNFT. ArgusNFT is one project we've been working in the past that has already been is a successful project of Catalyst from Fund9. We got funded and we are basically extending it with this proposal. The ArgusNFT, we have built a machine learning AI-powered fake detection platform so that we can prevent fake NFTs from being sold on marketplaces. We recently have announced our partnership with the JPEG store. So you can take a look on JPEG store how our protection mechanism is working. So when you're about to buy an NFT that could be a fake, you will see a nice pop-up that say, hey, do more due diligence. So this solution is currently working only on Cardano, and it's our intention to expand our project and go multi-chain. And obviously, Ethereum is the blockchain on which there are more NFTs, and unfortunately, also lots of scams, copycats, and counterfeits. So what we want to do is to expand our brain, machine learning brain, and integrate also Ethereum. And this is basically the core of our proposal.
Yeah, and I'll just add to that very quickly that I think that so there's a question of why Cardano proposal would want to fund integration on Ethereum, but it basically adds a great deal of utility to our protocol if we can start to protect against cross-chain copies, which we see as a potential something that's going to potentially increase more and more in risk over time, because as it is right now, ecosystems on different chains are pretty siloed. So most any human verifiers of projects here on Cardano aren't really cognizant of all the projects that are being created on Ethereum and vice versa. So to be like a comprehensive or like a really high assurance solution, we think that Argus needs to incorporate different blockchains and grow its brain, as Giovanni said.
Okay.
Obviously, this proposal is in the great Ethereum migration. Obviously, if we make the experience of trading NFTs and selling and creating NFTs on Cardano safer, this is going to contribute to being creators and traders from Ethereum and other blockchains on Cardano, because they know that they're going to have like a much safer and better and smoother experience for artists in creating, but also collectors and traders.
Mm-hmm.
Next question for you guys: that can you share with us the team behind the proposal and how can you guys deliver it, including the timeline that you are expected to be launched?
Obviously, so we are both the people that came up with the proposals, but our team is also composed by 3 engineers. It is myself, that I'm the CTO, and also Jaime and Kurt, that are respectively a full stack engineer and a backend engineer. Anthony is the 4th member of the team, and he looks after the business development of the company. Because of our deep understanding and knowledge of the technical requirements to implement such proposals, we feel confident that we can deliver this with this product in the next few months. Obviously, there is going to be needed a blend of different skills, like front-end development and back-end development, as well as machine learning. And these are all skills that we have already developed and mastered over the time. When it comes to the timeline, this is going to be like an important and lengthy project as well. It's going to span across several months. If once and hopefully we're going to get funded, it's going to go through the whole winter of 2022. So it's going to be like between 4 and 5 months. We've already started some research about how the data must be taken and processed from Ethereum. This is actually something that is already ongoing within the team. But then there are going to be a few steps that will require some time. So about a month to extract all those data and store them into relational databases. Another couple of weeks to create the relevant persistent storage. And then there is going to be like the heavy lifting part that is basically integrate all those data inside ArgusNFT that is already existing. And this is going to take a month. And then the last part that is basically complete the integration between ArgusNFT and the actual database of NFTs as it is created from the Ethereum blockchain.
And just to add a small point to that, we're already going to be leveraging the creation of Argus on Cardano to basically attract Ethereum artists and collectors, and we're going to also use, double down on that effort. We did. I think we budgeted a little bit of money for social media marketing at the conclusion of this to try to basically show that we have a truly attractive product that we can offer now to Ethereum creators and collectors on Cardano. It's going to be like the transactions will be in ADA for it.
Okay, yes, thank you for your sharing. And if you guys got funded for this proposal, so continue to support the proposal. Where can the community track for your team's activities, especially on the activity that you have been doing?
We are very active on Twitter. We have a Twitter account that is at Argus_NFT, where you can find the latest updates and the latest news, developments, so on and so forth, and a couple of funny tweets as well from time to time. We also have a Medium account, so you can find us at ArgusNFT.medium.com. Even there, we are publishing periodic updates, both technical and non-technical, about our progress. And you can also follow our private what's it called, Twitter handles that we'll pass on to you, and we can add to the video description so that you can follow both myself, Anthony, and the other members of the team.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. Yes, very nice. So learning enough about your proposal. So can you have anything else to share with the community to ask for the vote and to make this proposal a successful one?
Obviously. So the ecosystem that we're building around ArgusNFT is very broad, is very wide, and we are trying to first of all, we're trying to solve something that is unprecedented. We are, in fact, with ArgusNFT, an industry first. There are kind of similar projects ongoing, for instance, on OpenSea, but they are not as comprehensive as the product we're actually building. And one of the most important things is that we are not, because we are not part of one marketplace, but we are offering this as a software as a service. We are actually attacking all the possible, integrating all the possible blockchains. So it's not going to be only for OpenSea or only for JPEG Store, but we can prevent and fight the scams, counterfeit, and plagiarism across multiple blockchain. And this that we are doing now is basically the next step. Is an organic growth of our platform. We already successfully deployed on Cardano. We have a successful partnership with JPEG Store, and now the next step is to move on to the next challenge. That is, go on Ethereum, integrate on Ethereum, find, cooperate possibly with marketplaces there as well. But the most important thing is to guarantee that collections that were created on Ethereum, they won't be copied on Cardano and vice versa. So what I ask the community, to support us to make, again, and to contribute to make Cardano the best environment, the best blockchain for creators, for creating NFTs, for traders to trade NFTs, and collectors, obviously, to collect NFTs and be sure that they won't be copied and sold on the market, and they value their own NFTs.
So thank you, Germany, and thank you, Anthony, for your sharing of your wonderful proposal. Everyone, if you are interested in the proposal, please come on IdeaScale and also voting app and search for the keyword cross-chain fake NFT protection and vote for the teams, because your vote does matter, and you can support the team to continue to create more creative proposal based on the NFTs and have it develop in the future in the Cardano ecosystem. Thanks a lot for watching Cardano Catalyst TV, and I'm Mi Cheng.